Once our API has been deployed, we can now start to make some API requests. You can find the deployments in the deploy sidebar. And to do so, we should use some of the code to make the API request calls. And Nexus auto-generates the code necessary to make API requests in most of the common languages. So for example, to run through some of the shell command, you can follow the scripts generated here or Python scripts. And this allows you to easily start with integrating into your applications as needed. And you can just replace the fields that is shown here with relevant information such as the image type, data, and authorization. And under configuration, we can also update the settings if we want and the details. And under the test API button, that is something that will allow you to upload some of the test images directly. And we can see that it will run through some predictions and automatically annotate to show you as well. And on the side, we can see the output results format for you to understand the output schema. And we can also see some of the stats based on the past inferencing here.